Understanding A Christmas Cracker, a festive tradition explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fun and festive topic that's a staple in many English-speaking countries during the holiday season. Have you ever heard of a Christmas cracker? It's not a snack, but a traditional Christmas item that brings joy and laughter to holiday gatherings. Let's unwrap the mystery of the Christmas cracker together. A Christmas cracker is a small, tube-shaped party favor that two people pull apart, making a popping noise. Inside, you'll typically find a paper crown, a small toy or gift, and a joke written on a slip of paper. The tradition of Christmas crackers dates back to the mid-19th century in the UK and has become a beloved part of Christmas celebrations in many English-speaking countries. The story of the Christmas cracker begins with a British confectioner named Tom Smith in the 1840s. Inspired by French bonbon sweets wrapped in twisted paper, Smith created the first version of the cracker, adding the explosive pop to mimic the crackling of a log fire. Over time, the contents evolved from sweets to the small gifts and jokes we find today, becoming an essential part of Christmas festivities. Using a Christmas cracker is simple and fun. Two people each hold one end of the cracker and pull it apart with a sharp tug. The cracker splits unevenly, with one person getting the larger portion. The bang you hear is from a small strip of paper inside that creates a friction-based pop when pulled apart. Everyone then takes turns reading their jokes aloud, wearing the paper crowns, and enjoying the tiny surprises inside. Beyond the fun and games, Christmas crackers hold symbolic meaning. The paper crown represents the crowns worn by the three wise men, adding a spiritual dimension to the tradition. Sharing crackers around the dinner table symbolizes unity, joy, and the sharing of blessings. The jokes, often groan-worthy puns, bring laughter and a light-hearted atmosphere to Christmas gatherings. And there you have it, the story and joy of A Christmas Cracker, unraveled. Whether you're celebrating with family, friends, or colleagues, pulling a Christmas cracker adds a touch of festive cheer and tradition to your holiday. We hope this video has brightened your understanding and appreciation of this delightful Christmas custom. Happy holidays, and may your Christmas be filled with joy, laughter, and lots of crackers. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. See you next time.